Okay, so this is part of the practice. Yeah, maybe can we meet maybe in Jitsi and then to share my screen and because in lab sometimes there is the lag. Can you go to Jitsi? Basically, I have some questions. Can you hear me? I cannot hear you. Oop. So yeah, I wanted to see if you could. I have some questions with the chroma in Hydra and yeah,
Yeah.
so maybe let's load. Yeah, maybe I will share you my screen.
Sure.
Or maybe can you share what you can you make a
I
chroma.
send you the code. Sorry?
I just gonna open it. Where did you send it, in Facebook or? Yeah, I see it in Facebook.
I sent you the code on Facebook. Yeah.
Because I think, but I have a question. I think I don't know if it's the same set function. Yeah, I think I have the same. Okay, this looks more organized. It's the same, right? Okay. I'm gonna share this and then ask you this. Mm, share. Okay. Can you see this?
I see me. Yeah. Now you have the screen.
Okay. I have the question like, how does, because when I see this, everything that is inside between the brackets, is this like, I mean,
Yeah.
this is just the block
So,
inside of a function. Yeah, can you explain me what is? Can you go through with me with this?
so you mean the set function?
Yeah, the set function and the GLS, the string. Um, yeah, just maybe.
Yeah. I mean, well, if you already, if you're familiar with GLSL like
No,
shader, then I can explain. But
no, no,
otherwise,
no.
this is something. It's actually not Hydra. Like it's Hydra is using GLSL.
Yeah,
So actually, what you wrote here, like source chroma out, that's converted into GLSL code.
all these. Yeah, okay. So then,
And
like, what is in the
so
string? The GSL. That's the shader.
yeah, so every function like source, chroma out, or like OSC, scroll or color, all these functions in Hydra
Are
has this
shader.
GLSL attached to it.
Okay.
But since chroma is something new that I made, it has to be defined that way, and that's
Oh,
what it's
okay.
doing. But that's something probably you're
Cool.
not interested in editing it, because
Okay.
that's the way, that's how chroma is defined.
Like so the GSL, the the string is how you define the chroma.
Exactly.
Okay, and and then this the variables chroma and color are just that, just variables that you use when in the string, because I don't see
Uh,
name.
the first one, the name is, how it's named in Hydra. So if you change this to Jorge, then you have to use, source s0 dot Jorge
Hmm.
out. You
Yeah,
know,
and the
that's
type.
what it's defined in Hydra.
Yeah.
Type is, there are different kinds of types. So if you look at the Hydra, you start with source, or you start with like OSC or noise. These things are the source, like it's always comes first.
Yeah.
But then there's things like chroma or color, colorama, luma, thresh. These things are attached to another operation, and this is specifically changing the color.
All of
And that's those. This group is the color group.
Okay, so and then so this set function, this so everything from the set function that is the chroma, it finishes here, right? Can you see like
Which is yeah, I mean it's a bit laggy, but yeah, where this
SO
above
with
init cam is.
the SO in it come begins, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
All right. Okay. Cool. I will go. I'm gonna deep in. So that's a shader. Yeah. And that's the string is GSLL. I don't know what I haven't worked with that, but okay. Because when I
Okay.
saw some time ago when I was watching your videos, I was trying to understand that. And I was like, what is that?
Mm.
Okay. And then okay, the other thing that there is something that I would like to do that you use, that is what I want to understand how it works, is that maybe I can show you specifically, yeah, because then it will be easier. No, yes, basically when you have somehow, I don't know where exactly you define, but you define that the camera, like the frame, I think it should be about the frame rate of the camera. It The refresh of the frame rate should be slower, because then you have you see like my hand. If I can, you see my hand is in this moment open.
It's very laggy, like,
Yeah.
and the frame rate is really bad. So I don't know if you're really trying to say. I mean, I see your hand. Yeah.
Okay. So normally, if I will start moving my hand like to the left like this, then it what I want to appear is that my hand, like, I think should be the refresh frame rate, so then I can
You mean
see.
more like the After Effect
Yes,
kind of
yes,
thing?
like you see multiple of my hands and then they are fading at the end.
I see. Um, yeah, I know what you mean. Let's see. I can
Can you
just try
Yeah,
something
yeah,
and then
maybe will be that. I
uh,
think that could work. Like, just if you try, like, just write the chroma, and after the chroma try to put that in top, and while you're doing, trying to, if you can, go through with me, then I will be they will be interesting.
yeah. Um, yeah, we should do it here, or should we go to Live Lab?
Where is,
Maybe we can do it here.
I think it's here, there's less lag, I think. So I will stop sharing my screen.
Well, it's
It's,
there is lag
yeah.
anyways, but let's see.
Or we can just use Zoom if it's like because we wanted to have less lag, no? For
It's true.
for 1 second.
Um, But the problem is with Zoom is that we cannot do screen share together, no? Or do we? Can we? I
No,
don't know.
no. I don't. But it doesn't. No, I think it's just it's. I just need you to see. I need to see your screen. If I see your screen, then it's okay. So I think we should be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe just we can jump
Yeah.
into Zoom, or
Uh,
or we can.
okay, let's try because
Yeah, yeah,
we haven't used Zoom for some time, so
yeah.
maybe you can do it.
We can try.
So I will send you the link. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yup. Yup. Yup.
So I do share screen.
I don't see your
Did it
screen.
start?
I don't see your screen. Nope. I hear you, but I don't see your screen. Are you being screen?
No.
No.
I think it's just slow.
Okay. Yep. Now I see it.
Yeah. No, I was trying also the sound, and this is just like everything is getting really slow.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
No, but we are in practice. Everybody will be happy to see
Exactly.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see.
Maybe.
So can you read it?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can read what is there. Maybe before you do that, can you?
Okay.
So how would you put something behind? How would you select something to put in your chroma
Yeah.
key there?
Okay, so I mean, this was the line for the camera, right? So
Yes.
we're not interested in this part anymore. So what chroma key does is it makes a kind of alpha layer.
Yep.
And if you have alpha layer, you can put this on top of something else, basically.
Yes.
So, for example, like I have this very basic oscillator. Maybe I make it a bit slower so it's more video transfer friendly. And I want to put myself on top of it.
Yeah.
In order to do it, you have to do this layer. And inside the layer is going to be something that you want to put on top. And for example, if I don't do chroma, then I just see myself because the camera image doesn't have any alpha layer.
Yeah.
So that's why I added chroma, and then this cuts off the green part, and I'm on top of this oscillator.
Okay, so
Or you can just use Voronoi or something. That's also possible.
So we need chroma out. Okay, so I'm trying just something, the same thing. So I want OSC English cam. Yes, and then here I just want can you try the OSC, the previous code that you had before, the OSC?
Sure.
OSC, then
Like this.
yeah, and then okay, there's this layer, because I want to put a layer before it's going out, right? S0 close, and then a chroma. Out. Okay. Yep. All right. Yes. Okay. So yeah, I got this, and then let's try the fading, the ghost,
the thing, yeah.
the ghost.
Yeah.
The ghost.
So the idea is I'm going to just start over. Just put it to out, and if you don't have anything inside out, it's actually same as out O0. So you have you write something on top of O0 buffer.
So
and
repeat it again. Sorry, if I don't have the out.
This, you write like this. This is shorthand.
Yes. Okay.
O0.
Or yeah, if
and
okay. Or if I have more than one
I want
buffer,
to do,
if I have more than one buffer, then I have to be out O and the number of my buffer, right?
Yeah, I think by default you have O0 to O3.
Okay. All right.
And now what you want to do is to start with another source, which is actually O0, because I want to reuse the previous
same
one, right?
Right, yeah.
And same as before, I put layer because I write myself on top of the last buffer. So it's just like this. So I start with O0 and then I write myself chroma key on top of the last layer so that it accumulates. So that's the first step. right?
can you explain that again? Sorry.
So I'll just clean it up because it's kind of messy. Wait,
Source 01.
no, wait a second.
Yes.
I just want to. Okay, so
Out.
what I do here is I have this. So actually, how I started was basically just this.
Just the chroma, yeah.
This meaning that take the camera, do chroma, and write on top of O0.
Yes.
What you can also do is you can also start with O0 because O0 is just a buffer.
Right.
You write
Yeah.
it. O0 is the one that's displayed, but you can also use that as a source. So you just copy that O0 and do something.
Yeah.
So for example, if I just put O0 into out, so you kind of connect output and input, then what happens is that I'm frozen. It's not a delay, but it's just frozen because I take the previous image and feed it to the next image. So now it's stuck in the loop.
So it's like the frame rate, is that what I was trying to compare to the frame rate is 0 right now? Like, yeah, there's no refresh. Like, you are outputting.
Sort of.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And I can do something different. For example, this time I do color. This is making the RGB is 1, but alpha is 0.99. So I take the image and multiply this. So the alpha is getting a little bit less.
Okay.
And then output that. So what happens is that it's very slow, but I'm kind of gradually fading out.
Fading, yeah, makes sense, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And instead, what I want is I want to layer. So I want to write myself on top of it.
Completely, like the whole source.
Yeah.
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 And if I do this is no, sorry, source S0. So if I do this, I didn't do chroma key, so it's just writing myself on top of it. So it's just refreshing as usual.
There is no
and I do
alpha
chroma.
layer. Yeah, there's no alpha. Yeah.
Then I start to again doing same thing, writing on top of the last buffer, but because it's chroma and you don't see the background, I'm just only me, my body is written, drawn on top of the last layer.
Yeah.
So it's just accumulating more and more, but this gets messy.
Yeah. So you want to have a
I just want to combine two things. Basically the same thing, this color thing, RGB one, or you can just do RGB like 0.9, 0.9, 0.9. That's also possible, but I just don't like it because it takes more time to write. So I just do it like this. So RGB is 1, alpha is 0.9. So it fades. So it fades out.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Let me just try this one, and then just can you just copy paste? Can you just copy paste this one in Facebook?
Sure.
Just just that line. Yeah, just that line.
Or Zoom because I closed it and. But then how can I see the chat?
Chat under.
Oh my gosh, it's just like
under.
Yeah, but it doesn't. It's okay because I'm doing screen share. It looks different. Anyways, I wrote it.
Yes.
And I think I have a different name because it's not my account actually.
Yeah, you have it's like super. It's super not that's not Latin languages. Okay, source.
So
okay. No, what was erase this? out. Uh, uh, so we need a cam out. Yes, source out. Why it's not? Huh? For some, yeah, maybe the last thing. Um, do you use the solid out to clean your the last image? Because I didn't have a solid out.
Solid out is just to. Maybe you can do it. I don't know if it's needed.
No, it's not working. Why it's not working? So when you scan color,
What's happening now?
no, somehow it's not working. Why layers have exactly?
This is really epileptic.
So we need source color one layer source
Getting
chroma out os chat. Why is not working?
maybe. Do you think you can do screen share as well?
I think I can. Yes. I think I used it some time ago. Stop share.
Any co-host?
Yeah. Host disable. Yes. Disable attending screen. You have to stop your screen sharing, and then I can do mine.
What does it say?
I need you need to disable host disable attendee screen. You need to disable yours. You need to stop your screen sharing. I think.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll just do it.
Yeah. Share screen.
Oh, but wait. Okay. Anyways.
Desktop. What? Two. Why is asking me for this? Desktop two.
But I made you a co-host, so you should have permission.
Yeah. Open system allows Zoom to
Oh,
share your screen.
multiple participants can share simultaneously. Maybe you can try this.
Which one? This one.
No. Can you do it? I set it so that we both can do it
Okay.
at the same time. Hopefully.
Yes. Desktop two. Okay, and then I need to give some permission to Zoom, which I already did. But, system preference trying to what? That's weird. Zoom, yeah. Okay, I need to quit the program to refresh it.
What do you mean?
I need to close the program because I give some security thing. So, but it just I need just to close and open it again.
Okay.
Facebook. Come on, Facebook. Allow. Okay, you here? Yes.
So
Yeah, now I can see
I
my
give
computer.
you permission.
Try to share yours as well.
You have permission? Yes, let's do it. Yeah.
Now I'm sharing. You see mine? Yeah, you should be seeing this.
I see, and then I do share screen. This. But then, do I see your screen. This is confusing.
Can you see my screen? I have my screen in a second screen. That's the way how I. So now I have my Zoom app. I see Zoom app here,
Okay.
and so in theory, if you share your screen, I could see your screen because I have my screen in a separate monitor.
Okay. Hmm.
Well, if you see mine, then I can then just you can see just this.
Because you're in the small window and then it's not happening. I can try to maybe do it on other screen, like you said.
Just let me share desktop
Screen
two.
two.
Yeah, advance and
Yeah,
basic.
but then I still don't see the original window.
Yeah, in basic, it's in basic where I see like my when I can choose my. You see, that's what I have in basics. So then I can choose. This is my laptop and this is my extended screen.
Yeah, I understand, but like as soon as I start share screen, I don't see your screen anymore.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see what I mean. Well,
Optional screen. Like, but do you see me right now?
no, I don't see you now.
That's the point. That I don't see you, and you don't see me. So we're both doing share screen, but
Oh,
there's no way for each other to see.
really? But you are not seeing my
But
screen?
because no, I see your camera, but not the share screen.
Ah, you're not seeing my computer.
No. And do you see me? Do you see my screen?
No, I see in the app. I see just myself actually.
Right. So that's the thing. That
Okay, that's
let's
what
go
I.
to Live Lab.
All right.
There's no point
Okay.
doing this.
Yes. Stop share.
Yeah. Uh,
Is it working? Close, close.
Jitsi or Live?
Jitsi, where are you? What are we talking? What?
Okay, good. No, we are on Jitsi. It's
Ah,
good.
yeah, okay.
Everything's good.
Okay, because then I was opening live lab as well as crashing somehow. I wasn't work.
Okay,
Okay.
but on yeah, but then
Oh yeah, no.
share screens
Yes.
tricky here.
But I share. Let's share. I'm gonna share my screen. Let's try. This one.
But I feel we cannot really do sharing on this.
Um. Yes. Yeah. You're seeing me? Like you're seeing
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
Hydra.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, look, check it up. Like, for somehow it's not working. This was, yeah, there is something not working here.
Okay. Can you do the Control Enter again on that line? You have to go the cursor to no because if you do Control Shift Enter, then it
Yes.
will evaluate everything, and the last lines will overwrite.
Oh, so I just want Control Enter then.
Yes, on the line that you want to evaluate.
Oh, okay. So then is this line under or next to it? Yeah, now I see it. Yeah.
Next to it.
Okay, that's why I make so with Control Enter I just, if I have the whole code, then it's everything is running, and I just want to evaluate. It will just put one more thing, like it will just put one. It will just put that line in top of the code that is running. Don't
Sorry, I
understand.
don't understand.
Yeah, like because I put Control Enter to evaluate just this line, right?
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
but what I don't understand is like, so then what it will do is it will put that line of code as a last thing. I mean, it will not run the whole code, but just add
No,
that line,
it just over. Yeah, I mean, it kind of overwrites.
just that thing. The rest of the thing is not touching that thing.
Yes.
All right, cool.
So I don't want to make it complicated, but for example,
No.
the line you evaluated has O0, right?
Yes.
So if you have any other operations you did with O0, that's going to be lost, and this will overwrite.
All right.
But for example, if you do something on O1, and if you evaluate this line about O0, then O1 thing is kept because
Yeah.
that's not touched.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's how it works. It's like incremental.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's put the time code, and then just go for like what we have, like 20 minutes left. Is okay with you?
15 minutes.
Okay. Just show the time code, and then we can if we need to synchronize.
Oh, right. We have to do that.
Yeah. So I have it here.
Yes.
Mine is running.
Good,
In my
good call.
in my screen is it will be my screen.
You just have to put that in your recording, right?
Yeah. So I don't need to see it even. It's just in your screen. It should be there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
It's very unstable, actually.
Light lab.
No, the time, because I opened so many things. What's the time right now? 9:47.
And the UTC, like because I searched UTC, is 7:47. 1947.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, doesn't matter. Okay, I think it's good enough.
Okay.
So let's just
yeah.
start.
Okay. Wait, I'm just gonna send you that link. Yeah, I just start in Live Lab. Just start there. Good. Go there. I'm here. Elona Auto.
We
This is lab.
sorry,
I'm in Lab already, so we can leave the.
we do it in Live Lab.
Yes.
I just closed the Jitsi, okay?
Yes. Good. Are you here? This is crazy. What is happening? What is happening? Oh. Okay. No. Oh yeah, I need still to find that shit. Ah. Okay, you're here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go. 10 minutes of extreme craziness. No. This is not what I want. Come on, this is not what I want. Oh, what is doing this? Share. 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 Come on.